They turned. I think they saw me move. Had it coming and I tried to turn the camera on. Spooked them. Those are speckled belly geese. White fronted geese. And don't come back. It doesn't seem to bother the ducks out in the pond. Amazing how quick they get over all the honey pressure. Shooting 3.5-inch twos. Hard to turn the camera on.